presentable yung pagkakalagay sa
Not to...
kasi hindi mo pa naman natitikman eh. Pag nakita mo, mukhang masarap. Di ba?
So, not really. So, kumbaga neutral ako sa ganun. So, which means na sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Kasi yung presentation niya is subjective. So, may mga tao na may gusto ng okay, plated well yung food. Well, yung iba naman, gusto nila is just serve lang.
But not everyone agrees. Some say food presentation is subjective. It depends on personal preference. Studies show that a beautifully plated dish can make food taste up to 18% better. If you want to improve your food presentation, here are some expert tips from experts. Number 1, use the rule of thirds. Number 2, use color contrast. And lastly, keep it clean